Saturn might look like the most beautiful planet in our solar system, but if you got too close, you wouldn't survive. In fact, you wouldn't even understand what killed you. Those glowing rings, that soft golden color, the calm, silent presence in space, it all feels peaceful, almost perfect. But Saturn is hiding something violent, something deadly. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why Saturn is far more dangerous than it looks. Let's start with the biggest misconception. People think Saturn is a solid planet, like Earth, a place you could land on. But Saturn isn't like that at all. It's a gas giant, which means it has no surface, no ground, no place to stand. If you tried to land on Saturn, you wouldn't land. You'd just keep falling. At first, it might not feel so bad. You'd pass through its upper clouds, soft, golden, almost peaceful. But the deeper you go, the more everything begins to change. The atmosphere gets thicker, heavier. The pressure starts rising, slowly at first, then faster and faster, until your body wouldn't be able to handle it anymore. The pressure inside Saturn is so extreme that it would crush you long before you reached anything that even resembles a core. And here's the unsettling part. There is no clear boundary, no moment where you can say, "I've reached the surface," because it doesn't exist. It just keeps getting denser, darker, more violent. But that's only the beginning, because Saturn's winds are some of the fastest in the entire solar system. We're talking about speeds over 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. These aren't gentle winds. They're massive streams of gas racing across the planet at unbelievable speeds. If you were caught in them, you wouldn't just be blown away, you'd be torn apart. And those beautiful rings Saturn is famous for? They're not soft. They're not harmless. They're made of ice, rock, and debris. Some pieces are as small as dust. Others are as large as mountains. Now imagine moving through those rings at high speed. It would be like flying through a storm of bullets at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Even a tiny fragment would hit with enough force to destroy you instantly. And larger chunks, there would be nothing left. But Saturn isn't just dangerous because of its structure. It's dangerous because of its gravity. Saturn is massive. So massive that once you get too close, escaping becomes almost impossible. You'd be pulled in, faster and faster, with no way out. And just like with other massive objects in space, this creates tidal forces, the same effect that stretches objects, the same effect that can tear things apart. Your body wouldn't experience gravity evenly. One side would be pulled more than the other, stretching you, distorting you, breaking you. And if that wasn't enough, Saturn has an incredibly powerful magnetic field. It traps charged particles and turns the space around it into a dangerous radiation environment. Not as extreme as Jupiter, but still more than enough to damage anything unprotected. Even spacecraft have to be carefully designed just to survive in its vicinity. And then there's something even stranger. Saturn's North Pole, a massive, perfectly shaped hexagon, a storm like nothing we've ever seen. 6 sides, spinning endlessly, larger than Earth itself. We still don't fully understand why it exists, but what we do know is that it's violent, unstable, and completely alien. Now step back for a moment. Look at the full picture. Saturn isn't just dangerous in one way. It's dangerous in every way at once. There's no surface to stand on. The pressure crushes you. The winds tear you apart. The rings shred anything that passes through. The gravity traps you. The radiation damages you. And the deeper you go, the worse it gets. There is no safe place on Saturn. No safe orbit. No safe landing. Every part of it is hostile. And here's the part people don't think about. Saturn has been like this for billions of years. Silent, beautiful, but constantly violent. When you look at Saturn through a telescope, it doesn't look dangerous. It looks peaceful, almost inviting. But that's the illusion, because Saturn isn't a place you can explore. It's a place you can only observe from a safe distance. A reminder that in space, beauty doesn't mean safety. And sometimes the most beautiful things are the most dangerous. Saturn isn't just a planet, it's a trap. And once you get too close, there's no coming back.